Hey everybody, how you doing today? I just wanted to do a quick little video update here on my seed starts and everything to show you what I've got going. Don't forget guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, share my videos around and get them out there. I hope everyone's getting excited now. We had snow today and yesterday, so my gardening season is kind of getting pushed back and back, but I mean it's still middle April, so that's kind of expected. But I've sold $500 worth of my seedlings the past day or two with my girlfriend, and that's cleared a lot of stuff out of my house. And what did I do? Planted 6 more trays of stuff to get into the garden and sell to people. Right now with this pandemic going on, everyone wants to grow their own veggies and learn how to do it. So I'll show you what I've got here right now on this side here. Right now I've transplanted a bunch of peppers. I think they're just red, yellow, green peppers here. Got some sad looking parsleys. They've been going for a while. Here I got some Salanova lettuces. Here I got a bunch of different tomatoes, tonic grapes, some more peppers, some flowers. These guys have been in here a bit. They're cosmo flowers. They're kind of sad looking now, but hopefully get them planted out. Got some sage. And then I'll take you guys over to the other part of my house, which is basically directly over there with the rest of my seedlings. So I've been trying to harden off some of the plants that are ready to go out to the garden, but with the cold weather, it's been kind of too hard to harden them off outside. So I'm hoping the next few days, even with my little hoop house I have outside there, I'm not sure if you can see it out there. I usually put things under there on a warmer day just to keep them warm, put them out for an hour, bring them in next day, a few more hours, and then eventually have them out overnight. So anyways, this is what I've got on my light stand here, or my grow lights here. I'll show you all the veggies here I have going. So up here I planted some more Salanova lettuces. These ones I put about 2 or 3 weeks apart from the ones I showed you on the other side there. In the back here, it's hard to see, but I put some cabbages in that I had left over. Got some romaine lettuce, some red sales. Here I planted some cucumbers the other day. Some of them are coming up. Well, sorry, cucumbers, there's what's in here, kale, there's cucamelon, first time growing cucamelon. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. Some eggplant and some Roma tomatoes. Back here I've got some onions they've been in for a while. Back here I got some more tomatoes, I think. Brandywine tomatoes. They were put in like 3 days ago, 4 days ago. They're going well. Yellow pear tomatoes. Some cilantro. They don't seem to be germinating. Here as well I've got, what is this? I've actually labeled everything this year, which is big feat for me. Sweet cherry tomatoes, the little sweetie, and some more marigolds. Back here I've got my ginger. Hopefully try to grow it well this year. And this one I just planted the other day too. I've got some dill, what's this one? Parsley, some more sweet tomatoes, and I think I put some cucumbers in here as well. Down on the bottom here, this is just the random stuff I've got. Some more peppers, some more tomatoes, Purple Russian, Cascade tomatoes. Over here we've got some more stuff, tomatoes and peppers. In here I got some sunflowers. Here are my fruit trees. So my grapefruit tree I planted, this will be the 4th season with him. Some lemon trees I started from seeds I brought back from Costa Rica. Some ginger here again. Another grapefruit tree. More ginger. It's kind of dying off some of it. I like to get it out into the garden sooner than later. This was a sad attempt at trying to grow some turmeric. We'll see how that goes. Might need to go outside. Over here I've got more lettuces. This is the Salanova Sweet Green Crisp. That needs to get outside to harden off so I can plant it because it's ready. Here's basil. It's looking pretty sad. So I transplanted it the other day. Hopefully it comes back. I've got more planted. More onions. Over here I got my other tray, Salanova. That's ready to go out as well. I need to get that done. And then over here it's hard to see because it's a bit darker. But I've got more basil. So that's coming along nicely. And then I think I got some more pickling cucumbers over here. So there we go. Oh, actually, you know what? I've got more downstairs. I'll run down there quickly and show you what I have down there. Okay, so here in the basement, I've got my 4-foot grow light. And down here, got more onions here. 2 trays of onions. I think actually onions. I got some shallots back here this year. Some more tomatoes, Mr. Stripey, and a Tasmanian chocolate. First time trying those two. I like to try different varieties of tomatoes all the time to see what we got. Find ones that I really enjoy. Over here I got more tomatoes. There's just a random Stupicki, I think that's how it's called. More Cascades, Oregon Springs, Gold Nugget. And these are all going to go into my carport that I've converted into a greenhouse, which I should have finished hopefully this weekend. And then back here just a bunch of random herbs. There's tarragon, sage, and a bunch of poppies as well that I saved the seed from. And I think some more lettuces here. I think they're red sales and what else? Maybe some more romaine. So there we go. So there you go, guys. There's a quick little update on my seedlings I have. Like I said, I sold a lot of them already, so it's cleared out a lot of space I have. But now I need to get more trays started, and I got a lineup of people wanting more tomato plants and other seedlings, so it's kind of exciting. Hope you guys have a great start of your season. Please let me know what you're growing this year. It's always cool to see what everyone's growing out there. Leave it in the comments down there, and we'll see you all out there.